Hello, and thank you for joining us. We're going to be doing some technical analysis on Luna, classic LUNC for those lunkers. Starting with the hour time frame, Luna's has not been doing as well in comparison to, let's say, Bitcoin. As many of you know, an amazing rise. Whereas Luna was kind of a counter to it. It ran counter to Bitcoin and the rhythm of the ocean for a little while there, though I feel it should come in line. If it starts going up, it'll probably start running with Bitcoin and the other ones. It's at kind of a bottom, but is that the bottom right now? We'll see. Looking at this technical analysis, we're going to do a breakdown. There's still room to run down on the hour. Though I do see that there could be some turning. We have some bullish divergences forming with some possible bullish turns in things like the MACD. We're going to run on over. Let's see here. We're going to hit the 15-minute market cipher, looking like hitting the bottom. Money flow hitting the bottom. Mid-level on the stochastic RSI. There could be a little bit more downside looking from this area. Now we're going to move back up to the hour where we were. Down low on both the RSI and the market cipher. Now, even further down on the 4 hour. The 4 hour is where the tail starts to be told. It looks like, I'd say, from the 4 hour, we're going to be heading down. I'm going to move this back on over to the MACD and the RSI. Let's check out the 4 hour over here. We got ability to move down. The only thing about what I would say, we're going to hit the short time frames in a second, but Bitcoin looks slightly healthy to me. I like this turn on the MACD. I like the room and the money flow. Also, the VWAP going on the market cipher app. Volume and color texture of the candles doesn't look half bad. As the hour time frame, we're going to move on up. It's a nice little flag forming. I can see it going a little bit up, and I can see it pressing up. I kind of think Bitcoin, I'd like to see, and I feel, or it would be more so playing towards a drop down to about this 27,230 area right around here. Be a 550 point drop. I think that would be more so the cards that I feel Bitcoin should do. But Bitcoin does a lot of things where if it does, I think we might go spike up, boom, hit it down, work our way back to this middle line. Besides Bitcoin doing this, depending on Bitcoin, I personally would see Luna dropping slightly more. If it was me, from the texture of the candles and everything going on, I'm taking a little different approach than you might see to do these levels. You really don't have that much time on. Look at this. The Luna chart is not that big. So, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to try and figure out movement upon these charts and see what I can do with it. This is the all-time volume profile line. We're going to be invertly putting the Fibonacci levels upon it, trying to find out how movement can go. As you can see, we're coming up on a golden pocket. So the 618 would be about a 10.5% move. I think that's going to be what's in the cards. I think if Bitcoin moves sideways or down, we're going to be watching this drop. So for you lunkers, I'm kind of looking at this as a play. Let's see. I think we go boom, boom. And depending on how Bitcoin goes, for the market, it's either down, probably getting close to here, fast ride, or here, or there. As a safer bet, I would say something along that lines. This is my prediction for LUNC, Luna Classic. I'd be shorting to go long later. Bitcoin looks a little too healthy for me right now to exactly short, so I'm going to be looking at this as the bellwether. Bitcoin starts to show weakness or it has peaked, and you see a spike up, around possibly the 28.4 to 28.6 range without Luna moving. When Bitcoin does that turn, that would be when I would short. So stay sharp, everybody. Thank you for watching.